Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Bathroom Organizer is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any home, transforming cluttered countertops and shower spaces into models of efficiency and aesthetic appeal. This isn't just about tidiness, it's about reclaiming your morning routine, reducing stress, and ensuring your favorite products are always within easy reach, making every interaction with your bathroom a pleasant one. We'll dive deep into what makes a great organizer, exploring features that enhance usability and durability, so you can make an informed decision for a more serene and functional bathroom environment. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing our slim rolling storage cart, designed to fit perfectly in narrow spaces. With 3 removable shelves, you can customize its configuration to suit your needs, making it ideal for any room in your home. Navigate your home with ease thanks to its 360-degree rotating casters. 2 of these wheels have brakes, ensuring it stays securely in place when needed, providing both mobility and stability. Crafted from waterproof and durable plastic, this cart is built to last, even in humid environments. Its thoughtful design allows for easy cleaning and prevents water buildup. This multi-purpose cart is perfect for storing a variety of items, from toiletries and cleaning supplies to kitchen essentials. Use the side hooks for extra convenience. Setup is a breeze with no tools required. Simply snap the parts together following the clear instructions, and you'll have your new storage solution ready in minutes. What we like? This cart is perfect for tight spaces and offers flexible storage with its removable shelves. If you need to organize narrow areas like between your washer and dryer or beside your toilet, this is an excellent choice. Its lockable wheels also ensure it stays put when you need it to. What people say? It has wheels that allows you to move it around. It holds so much more than it looks like it would. I was able to fit multiple full-size perfume bottles, body mists, and even larger lotion bottles without it feeling overcrowded. It's incredibly sturdy and well-made. Once assembled, it feels solid and secure, no wobbling or flimsy shelves. Number 4. SPACEKEEPER 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Discover the ultimate space-saving solution. This versatile cart is designed to fit perfectly into those narrow spots in your home, offering convenient storage wherever you need it. Setting up is a breeze with its simple snap-together assembly. Crafted from durable plastic, it's built to last and easy to maintain for your everyday use. Glide it effortlessly on its smooth wheels or lock it in place with the included brakes. Plus, the side hoops offer extra hanging space for added convenience. Its sturdy plastic construction is designed to withstand daily use, blending seamlessly into any environment. It's perfect for keeping your workspace or living area organized. Customize your storage by adjusting the shelves to either 2 or 3 tiers. This adaptability makes it ideal for various uses, from kitchens to bathrooms. While the package is compact, the storage potential is immense. Unpack it and unlock a new level of organization for your home or office. What we like? With its ultra-slim 8.66-inch width, this cart is designed to fit into the tightest of spaces. If you're looking to maximize storage in a very narrow gap, perhaps between kitchen cabinets or a small bathroom vanity, this is your go-to. The adjustable shelves and side hoops add extra convenience. What people say? The assembly was quick and easy. Once put together, it feels very sturdy and strong enough to hold everything from cleaning supplies to toiletries to snacks. The wheels roll smoothly, even on tile and hardwood. It's a great size, compact enough to fit in tight spaces but still spacious enough to hold a surprising amount of items. The open design makes it easy to see and grab what you need, and it's stylish enough to leave out in the open. Number 3. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. This slim storage cart is designed for ultimate flexibility. With 360-degree rotating wheels, you can effortlessly move it to any corner of your home, making storage convenient wherever you need it. It offers ample storage with multiple compartments, allowing you to organize your items efficiently. You can easily plan your space and access what you need at a glance. Plus, the included side hoops provide even more external storage options. This cart is incredibly versatile. It can be configured as a 2 or 3-tier shelf by removing the casters. Use it as a bathroom dresser or a kitchen spice rack to keep your space tidy. The bottom features a mesh hollow design. This prevents stagnant water and ensures that your stored items stay dry and clean at all times. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this cart is both stable and durable. Installation is a breeze, requiring no additional tools for a quick and easy setup. What we like. This organizer stands out with its mesh hollow design, which is great for keeping items dry and preventing water buildup. If you plan to use it in a damp environment like a bathroom or laundry room, or if you simply prefer easy-to-clean surfaces, this is a fantastic option. The ability to adjust its height and its smooth rolling wheels add to its versatility. What people say. It fits good between the toilet and the sink counter. It gives me so much needed storage. It has 3 narrow shelves, the bottom 2 are just perfect to stack a 12-pack of TP. I like that it's on casters so I can wheel it in and out of place to load it up. This cart is the kind of product that turns it into instant storage without taking up much room. The biggest selling point is how slim and mobile it is. It fits perfectly between cabinets, next to the washer, or beside a bathroom vanity, places where most storage units just won't work. Number 2. SPACELEAD Slim 4-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Tired of clutter and tight spaces? This slim organizer is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, maximizing your vertical space with its intelligent tiered design. Need flexibility? Easily switch between a mobile station with smooth rolling casters and a stable, fixed shelving unit. It adapts to your needs, whether in the kitchen or bathroom. Keep everything in its place with adjustable dividers and convenient side hooks. Its scientifically designed tier heights ensure even large bottles and small jars fit perfectly. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy moving, yet sturdy enough to hold your essentials, with a special design to prevent water pooling. From the bathroom to the kitchen, laundry room to small apartments, this versatile cart brings order to any area. It's the perfect solution for organizing toiletries, spices, cleaning supplies, and more. What we like. This 4-tier organizer is a gap storage expert, featuring an intelligent height differential design that maximizes vertical space. If you have a variety of item sizes to store and want to optimize every inch, this is ideal. Its dual-mode conversion allows it to be a mobile cart or a fixed shelving unit, making it incredibly adaptable for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. What people say. It's perfect for a small bathroom where extra storage is needed. It comes with this weird cap thing to use to push the rods into place, and it was actually really helpful so it didn't hurt my hands. It fits my little space between my dryer and wall perfectly. I am so happy I can use this previously wasted space and free up cabinet space for other things. Number 1. FSyueyun 2-Tier Bathroom Counter Organizer. Introducing our premium bathroom organizer, crafted from sturdy metal and durable plastic. It's designed to resist rust, even in humid environments, and features a unique U-shaped base for exceptional stability. This 2-tier organizer offers versatile storage for items of all sizes. Its space-saving design fits perfectly on vanities, counters, and desks, transforming cluttered areas into tidy spaces. With its compact dimensions, it's ideal for small bathrooms, narrow countertops, and dorm rooms. It effortlessly organizes any surface, making it a perfect fit for your needs. This versatile organizer is perfect for skincare, cosmetics, or even under-sink storage. It's a useful tool to declutter your bathroom, kitchen, or makeup room. Assembly is a breeze with its snap-together, tool-free design. The water-resistant surface wipes clean easily, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This organizer is a wonderful choice for housewarmings or birthdays. Its versatile design complements any decor, making it a must-have for organization lovers. Enjoy easy access to your essentials with its open, partition-free design. These 2 layers provide ultimate freedom to keep everything neatly organized and within reach. What we like. This organizer is crafted from premium, rust-resistant materials and features a compact, 2-tier structure perfect for countertops. If you're looking to declutter your bathroom vanity, kitchen counter, or office desk with a stylish and stable solution, this is an excellent choice. Its open design ensures easy access to your cosmetics, skincare, or small kitchen essentials. What people say. This organizer is very sturdy and holds a lot of items. The tiered design allows for easy access to all items. It fits perfectly in my small bathroom and doesn't take up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.